Hey everyone, new to the channel, I'm Jim. This week out here with my old Wagoneer. That sweet beast is a 78 Jeep Wagoneer full body style. And what we have here is some Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice. Seals, rust, and paint. Easy wipe on application. I'm going to start with that because the fella got a little confused. They do sell the aerosol cans, which is what this is. So, spray. That doesn't equate to wipe on to me. I thought I was buying the wipe on, but I got spray instead. You know, the fella ain't complaining, but we're gonna see how it works because it's time to fully restore this thing with some Shine Juice. You can see how tiniest little bit of rust, oxidation, and imperfection, but you know, it's all original. You can tell it's all original paint and everything. That at one time would have been covered up with you know, the fake wood grain. And you can see how beautiful that paint would have been at one time. Look at that. Oh yeah. So let's check this out. Let's see if it works. And at the end of the day, I'll tell you if I recommend it or not. So they did pack instructions. Surface prep: wash the surface using dish soap to remove dirt, grit, and oxidation. Just rained yesterday, so I'll say yes. Sure, it's completely dry. It is completely dry. And then we're gonna hold, after shaking the can for 30 seconds, we're gonna hold it 6 to 10 inches away. Even passes, ensure uniform coverage, avoid heavy buildup and pooling. Allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes before we run it through the car wash. Haha, just kidding. And anything excess needs to be wiped off with a clean towel. Hard to screw this up really, because I mean, at the end of the day, I think it's just like linseed oil. So seeing on the internet, a lot of people say that's just Poppy's Patina, you know, how can it, you know, it, you don't figure. Okay, yeah. But it's just marketed through Derek, Vice Grip Garage. I watch him all the time, and just, why not support the family? So let's jump into it. Right, Red Wasp approved. Look at that, soaking it up. Decades of neglect. Rebuilding. Sealing up that perfect paint. Okay, already liking what I'm seeing. Question is, what will it look like when it dries? But dang, That is popping. That is some kind of shine. So before, after, man, I'm liking this. All right, let's finish the hood up. Makes those leaves look good too, because you always want to have leaves in the way. Holy crap, this thing's looking good. I like it. You know, filler might have been down because it wasn't true wipe-on fluid. That aerosol works great. Don't know what I was thinking of wanting to do it the messy way. One can, still got a little bit of the hood left. I bought 3 cans for this rig. I think that'll be just enough because, you know, she got a lot of square footage up there on the roof. And it's taken, I'm gonna say, most of the can for that hood. It's looking good. All right, so not even half the can's been used. And I went a little thick on that hood. See, I went a little lean there. I need to add a little bit, but I tried to go thick because, you know, it's got a lot to soak up. I still got half a can left, so winner, I still get to eat dinner. All right. Man, that's popping. Looks good. So you see all that shine, and you see this side? That's the difference. Not too shabby. Got the shine, got the shine.
Oh.
Yeah, I even sprayed the inside of the doors, here, there. That ought to stop that from rusting. All right. So, being that it's not much more than linseed oil and, you know, forever chemicals, it's not going to do much harm to any of this. Get it off the glass because it'll make it oily. See, it's all right. But look at that shine. Man, look at that. Pretty cool. Makes that license plate shine, huh? Nice. Yeah. Time to get her all cleaned out. Full-time recovery gear in this one. That's not because I'm going off-road. Look, it's even Red Wasp approved. I give this a thumbs up. Go with the aerosol cans. It's easy. Cleanup's easy. Just wipes off, really. Let it dry. We'll see. We'll check in about 30 minutes, see how the drying process went. Been about 30 minutes. I know, I keep catching that shadow. Not completely dried yet. It looks fantastic. I'm super happy with that. I know, catching me in the background. Just look at it. Of course, the back's not dried at all, but patience, Jim, patience. Let it dry.